Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer. Today we're going to take a look at the Timbren Silent Ride Suspension for your tandem axle trailer that has a 3-inch round axle. This has a 10,000 pound weight capacity. Now this suspension system here is going to provide a nice smooth, quiet, stable ride for your trailer. This will replace your existing leaf spring suspension on your tandem axle trailer. These walking beams have a single pivot point, which creates an equalizing suspension for maximum stability. Equalize means that there's an equal load on all tires at all times, so it's going to keep the weight distributed evenly between the axles. Now the pivoting arms right here, these are going to help the trailer stay level on uneven ground, ensures all your tires will hug the road even on rough, bumpy terrain. And if we zoom in a little closer, I'll just show you right over here. They use these double Aeon rubber springs to absorb road shock and support the trailer's load. These will compress and become stiffer and stronger as your load increases, and they'll also act as a return device to minimize rattle and bottoming out. This arms do use fitted rubber bushings on them to be fully engaged, ensuring the springs are in use at all times, and it is constructed with tough and long-lasting rubber. These are a heavy-duty steel construction. They use a durable rust-resistant powder coat finish, and they are virtually maintenance-free. Now these are, you can see, a bolt-on or a weld-on installation. Comes with the included hardware, and some drilling and welding is required. Now one note I do want to mention is installation will require a 2-inch by 4-inch hollow steel cross member with a wall thickness of 1/4 inch installed between these two suspension units. Now that cross member is not included. You would have to supply that. Also right down here, the included axle seats right here, these are going to be welded to your axle beam. So if you already have seats on your axle, you will need to grind or cut those welds off to remove those seats and replace them with these Timbren axle seats right here. Now the application again, this will fit tandem axle trailers with 3-inch diameter axles. It is for a quantity of 2 suspension units, weight capacity against 10,000 pounds. Now, if you do have any additional questions regarding this part or any other item that we carry, please feel free to reach out to us so we can help you get all your questions answered for you. But that is going to do it for a look at the Timbren Silent Ride Suspension for tandem axle trailers with the 3-inch round axle.